Hey guys, how you doing? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a face mask without any sewing or needles required. But before we get into that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Appreciate it. Okay, and we're back, and we're here to show you how to make a face mask that requires no sewing and no needles. Let's go over the stuff that you're going to need. You're going to need 2 hair ties or 2 rubber bands, pretty common stuff that you can really find around the house. A coffee filter, I folded it in half, or a paper towel. Paper towel is a little bit easier to breathe through, but it doesn't filter as well, so do your research on that. And then a bandana. So what we're going to do with the bandana, take the coffee filter, fold it in half, put it inside the bandana, put your little nose bridge support also inside the bandana, right on top of the coffee filter. You're going to fold up the bottom of the bandana, take your rubber band or your hair tie, thread one through one side, thread the other one through the other side. You can even take one end and fold it into the other side, just like that, and you've got your little face mask with the nose bridge support all ready to go. I'll show you what it looks like when I put it on myself. Alright, here it is. See, the hair tie wraps right around my ear. I've got the nose bridge support right here. The other side secured with the other hair tie, and we're all ready to go. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Hope you learned a little something today. Have a great day.